In this demonstration, you'll learn how to perform the installation for Ansys Electronics Release 17 Remote Simulation Manager on the Linux platform. Before proceeding with the installation, close all Ansys applications. Download the Ansys product files from the Ansys customer portal. Have administrator access to the installation. Extract the product file to an accessible directory. This tutorial will begin in a directory containing the extracted installation files. Run Install Batch Script as root user. Select Install Electromagnetics RSM. Click Next to continue. Read the ClickWrap software license agreement completely. If you agree to the terms, select the Accept the Terms box. Click Next. Enter the username that will own the software. This user will need to have sufficient privileges to write to the specified installation directory. Select Next. Accept the default installation directory, or you may enter your own directory. Select Next to continue. Review the product installation overview. Click Next. The Ansys Electromagnetics RSM 17.0 will now be installed. Once the product installation has completed, click Finish to continue. Click Exit to exit the installation program. In order to use RSM, the service must be started on each computer and the application registered with the RSM service. To start the RSM service, open a terminal as root. Run opt ansys em rsm linux 64 ansys rsm service start on boot. Register the Ansys Electromagnetics Release 17.0 applications with RSM. Open a terminal as root. Run opt ansys em 17.0 linux 64 register engines with rsm.pl add. This concludes the installation demonstration of the Ansys Electromagnetics RSM Release 17.0 on the Linux platform.